Hey, Christian.
Oh, didn't see you there. You know, in this world of ours, there are many unexplained things. There's unexplained things in physics, chemistry. Some may call these phenomena. Some may say they can't be explained. But that's what me and my associate, Khristian are here to do. And we're going to explain 3 situations of said phenomena. One involves weight ratios, another involves gravity, and the third involves chemistry itself. Now, these may be hard to understand at first, but no worries. Me and my associate will explain them in great detail. Now just sit back, relax, and prepare to be enlightened.
For our first phenomenon, we'll need a ruler, a string, and a hammer.
Oh, you'll start with the ruler. Place the ruler inside the loop of string. Then place the hammer inside the string as well. Make sure the base of the hammer is touching the end of the ruler, like so. And then place the end of a ruler on the side of the table. Then it may take a few seconds to balance, but once you get it, it should look something like this. As you can see by this diagram, the head of the hammer weighs more than the base, thus causing gravity to pull the hammer towards the earth, which in turn pushes the base of the hammer upward. This causes this side of the ruler to also be pushed upward, which uses the central point of the ruler as a fulcrum and causes this side of the ruler to be pushed downward, enough so that the weight of the head of the hammer is enough to lift itself up. So as you can see, it's just a complex series of seesaws. Oh, you can see there. For our second phenomenon, you'll need 2 forks, salt shaker, and toothpicks. First, take the prongs of the forks, interlace them like so. Okay. Like so. Then, take 2 toothpicks. One will go into the salt shaker, like so. Another, you lace in between the prongs of the forks, like thus. And then, place the toothpick on top of the other toothpick. And watch the magic.
It's science!
The phenomenon that was just demonstrated is shown here by this bad drawing. The combined weight of the handles of the forks is greater than the combined weight of the prongs, so this half of the forks is pulled downward towards earth, thus in turn causing this side of the forks to be pulled upward, which causes this half of the toothpick to also be pulled upward, which in turn uses the central point as a fulcrum again to push this half of the toothpick down enough so that the forks can lift themselves up and the toothpicks can stay at a 90-degree angle. Yeah, it's physics, Craig. Better than chemistry.
For this phenomenon, we'll need 2 clear glasses, vinegar, candle, an ignition source, also known as a lighter, and baking soda. To start out, you'll need a towel, because it will get a bit messy. Take your 2 clear glasses, pour baking soda in one, and your vinegar. Watch the explosion. Fizzle out. Okay, so this produced carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is heavier than air, so it has the ability to be poured. Now,
Oh! Yes! 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 Science! Science! Yes! Woo! Woo! Ah! The reaction you just saw is demonstrated here. Sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, reacts with vinegar CH3COOH to yield CH3CO2Na plus the carbonic acid H2CO3. That acid, H2CO3, then decomposes to form liquid water plus CO2 gas. The CO2 gas is what we use to put out the flame. This puts out the flame because it takes place of the O2, which gives the flame fuel. Hence, it went out. Oh, I didn't see that. So, in summary, we observed 3 phenomena today. We observed the hammer, the fork and the toothpicks, and the baking soda vinegar. Now these were phenomenons using weight ratios, gravity, and simple chemistry. Now, at first, it seemed like these phenomena were very hard and difficult to comprehend. But as you can see, through our explanations, they're actually more simple than they seem. They were just simple manner, weight ratios, gravity, simple chemistry. And for our more challenged viewers, yes, you, Mr. Craig, me and Khristian decided to break them down to a more easier, more understandable way. There it is. Now it's a party. For me and my associate, Khristian Reynolds, we just want to say thank you for your time. Have a great day.
for this phenomenon, we'll need 2 clear glasses.
The reaction you just saw is demonstrated here. Sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, reacts with vinegar CH3COOH to yield CH3CO2Na and the carbonic acid H2CO3. The carbonic acid H2CO3 then decomposes into liquid H2O and CO2 gas, which is what we use to put out the flame. This puts out the flame because in order for a fire to stay alive, it needs oxygen, O2, and CO2 takes place of the oxygen in fire, hence putting out the flame.
Start, you'll need a towel, because it will get a little messy. Take your 2 clear glasses, baking soda. Add just a touch. You take your vinegar, and again, add a touch. Watch the explosion.
What explosion?